Hello and welcome back. Just before we get started, a quick reminder to please do hit that thumbs up button, like, subscribe. All of that does help the channel out. All right, so today we're doing puzzle 105. Let's just start with this box. Looks like we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here. So this is our 8. That 3 makes this our 9, so our 3 is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 7. 8 here, so 4, 7. So our 8 has to be here. For this column, looks like we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. And for this column, we're missing 4 and 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9. 5 here and a 9 here. So this is our 2, that 5 makes this our 9 and 5. If we look at this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 9, and 9 here. So 4, 8, and a 4 and 9 there. So that means this is our 8, which makes this our 4 and our 9. This box then we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 5, and a 3 there. So that means this is our 5. That makes this our 3 and our 6. Oh, and that 4 makes this our 7, 4, 7. If we finish out this row, looks like we're missing a 4. So for this box then, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 there. So 5, 3. For this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, looks like we're missing a 5 and a 7. And I don't see any help. 5, 7, 5, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got the 8 there, so 3, 5. We've got a 3 and a 5 here. So this is our 8. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. If we look at this column then, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box then, we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. So for this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. There's a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box then, we're missing 2 and 7. I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 9, a 9 and a 2 here. So this is our 3 and a 9 here, so 2, 9. All right, so this 2 makes this our 7, 2. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. And that 5 makes this our 6 and 5. All right, that's it for today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a very good day and come back tomorrow for our next puzzle.